Hello students, today we learn about top 5 news you must know. First, India 5th generation fighter jet project start. India has invited proposals for advanced 5th generation fighter jets. This is a major step to strengthen defense manufacturing in India. Second, India China border talks held in Beijing. India and China held border peace talks in Beijing to improve relations and ensures peace along the borders. Third, PM Modi announces Clean Cities Mission. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a mission to make 50 cities in India completely clean and developed. Fourth, India launches World Yogasana Championship 2026. India launches the first ever World Yogasana Championship 2026. It will promote yoga globally and showcase India's cultural heritage. Fifth, JAG Delhi counseling begins for admissions. JAG Delhi counseling has started for admissions to DTU, NSUT, and IIIT Delhi. Students can now register online and complete the counseling process. Thank you. Follow for more.